Hello. Welcome to my third episode of Student Diaries. And it's raining. It's raining. Goodness gracious. But I'm gonna show you the beautiful rainbow in the sky. There's a reason why between second and third episode 2 weeks gap, simply because I didn't go last week. Unfortunately, my daughter got a cold and I have to stay at home. Family come first. But I'm gonna check what was at the lesson last week and hopefully catch up quickly. But Stanham Park is all green. Still all green. So this is job for today. We've done everything even ground and put a wheat compressor film on top. Oh, beautiful arrangements. Looks like it was a workshop recently. If anybody interested, we have a workshop making a dry weave. That is all done. It's a different ways of taking cuttings. Well, so that is the end of another very informative day at the college. So we did some preparations in a polytunnel, even the floor, and put them with compressing fabric. I remember the word. Right, so it's an area gonna be used for potting plants, which I guess we're gonna pot and grow during our course. And we also had sorry about wind. I tried to find a sheltered area, but it's very difficult in the field. We also had a little lecture about taking semi-wrapping cuttings. Another word for that, probably like a semi-hard, and that was quite interesting. That's what we're gonna do next time. And I try to catch up with information which my classmates had last time. It's in Latin names of trees, so that's what I need to look at home myself, make a notes and try to remember Latin words. A lot of Latin, yeah. Gardening, it's not just a shovel and rakes, it is actually scientific word. Right, thanks for watching. I hope I was not too boring today, and I hope you enjoy the view of the beautiful rainbow in the beginning. And hopefully see you soon. Bye.